Okay, this is the video for the force of centripetal. Centripetal force is the power to hold things round in a circle. Again, Chinese meaning is 向心力. What we need is the balloon. And Stacy suggests everybody to prepare the bigger balloon, because bigger one will be easier for you to blow out. Okay, and the other one, the small bead. Small, if you don't have the bead, you can prepare a coin like $1. The reason why I don't use $1 is because I prepare the small balloon. The better choice is to use the bead. Okay, and you put the bead into the balloon. So this is what I do. And once you put it inside, you have to start to push the bead to the end of the bottom. Okay, now it's time to blow. And Stacy, it will be difficult for me to blow out the balloon, so I prepare the tool. And then what I need to do is I just pop it. Oh, okay, anyway, just make it bigger. Okay, now I blow up and I need to tie up the top, make a tie. Okay, so now the bead is inside the balloon. And you might have a question, Stacy, is it any relation to the centripetal force? Yes, take a look. Try to imagine this is the roller coaster, anything. And now let's roll it. Look, the bead keeps moving, right? And then keeps moving. That is because this is the power to hold things keep moving in a circle. So this is a very simple experiment. Did you guys see it? Yes, very good. Okay, so this is the simple experiment for centripetal force. Okay, you can try it. Everyone, okay, did you guys remember what we talked about for forces? Okay, and now this is the experiment of one of the force, which is called inertia. Inertia. Did you guys remember what things it's about this force? Okay, inertia is the force when you move things very fast in a sudden, and now the things will move forwards and quickly move back. So this is the experience. I believe everybody has this kind of experience. When you sit in your daddy's car, daddy suddenly stopped the car very quickly, and what happened to everyone in the car? Everyone will move forwards and then move back. Okay, so this is called inertia. And Stacy wants you to look for something easy in your house so you can do the experiment. What I have now is I use my coffee cup as an object to stop the car, and I have a toy car. You can prepare anything at least with the wheels so it can move. And I have a toy ball. Okay, you place the ball in the car, and now let's take a look what is gonna happen to the ball in the car. Okay, I push the toy car. Did you guys see it? The ball quickly move forwards, following the car, and quickly move backwards. So this is called inertia. Okay, now this is experiment, and then what I'm going to show you is the force, which is called friction. Friction is the force to make things slow down and finally to stop. Okay, so this is why when Daddy's driving a car, Daddy can stop the car quickly or slowly because there is a force between the ground and the tire of the wheel. Okay, so Stacy prepared something very easy that you can prepare. It's very handy. You can find it everywhere in your house. First of all, I prepare a board. Okay, this is the paper clip. I can put some paper on it. Okay, and I have a stapler. Actually, you can prepare anything that you want. You can use cell phone, you can use your book, okay, whatever you want. And now you place the stapler. I place the stapler on the paper board. Okay, here we go. Look, I try to lift up the board slowly, and look, the stapler doesn't fall off. You know why? Because there is a power between two objects, between the paper board and the stapler. But when the force is smaller than the angle you leave up, it will finally move. It will finally start to move. Let's take a look again. It doesn't move now, but the paper board is getting higher and higher. Oh, okay. So the stapler starts to move down, slide down. So the force, again, between these two objects is called friction. Okay, so this is the experiment I demonstrate for everyone. I demonstrate centripetal, and I demonstrate friction as well as inertia. Okay, and Stacy will show you the last one, which is called gravity. And gravity is one of the force which is very famous, as you know. Hello everyone. Okay, now Teacher Stacy is going to show you the force which is called gravity. And as you know, gravity means something always fall down on the earth, right? That's why people in the space couldn't fall down. Okay, we will not fall down. We will float. Okay, so I'm going to show you the very easy experiment. The only thing you need is the paper cup. Okay, and you need to make a hole on the paper cup. And what I'm going to do is, okay, my finger, I press the hole because I don't want the water to come out. And when I open my finger, the water is coming down. This is because the gravity.